Hi guys and welcome. This is me, JBRose, singing vegan mum. How are you all doing? Yes, they're easing the lockdown, and I'm not gonna lie, I was one of those people who were in them long queues for Primark, and I have a good excuse. My children, their clothes, oh my gosh, the knees. My children look like orphan children. 3 months of lockdown. I had to go to Primark. I got there for 8:45 and I got in quite quickly, so it weren't no long thing. So I'm a happy little bunny. I hope while you're shopping out there, please don't get moody. I don't know what it is with shopping, but people get really irate. And this lady told me off because I was walking too close to her, so I'm sorry. I'm not gonna go to the shops again anyway. I don't like shopping. Anyway guys, before I carry on, I'm gonna ask you to do something. And guess what? Yes, you know it. Please guys, subscribe. Subscribe, please. Now that you've subscribed, please do one more thing for me. Like. Thank you very much. Okay guys, so today's recipe was just inspired really. I was in my bed and I thought, I like plantain. What if I make it crunchy? So guess what I'm going to do today? I'm going to make a crunchy plantain burger with spicy tomato sauce. It's really simple guys. Let's get into it. So for our spicy sauce guys, as you can see, I've chopped up these are tomatoes. There's 2 types of tomatoes, some onions, some peppers, some garlic, and now this is a Scotch bonnet pepper. Now you know that this is hot, so we're not going to use that much. I've just got a little bit of Scotch bonnet pepper that we're going to use today, just this little piece, otherwise you'll burn up your mouth. We're going to add the garlic, the Scotch bonnet and the onions. We're going to hold back on the tomatoes. Let that cook through. So already that little bit of Scotch bonnet is making me cough. I'm going to add some herbs. That's some thyme. Very generous with my mixed herbs. I'm going to mix that through. Then of course our normal allspice, turmeric. I'll just let that cook through nice. I'm going to be very generous with some basil. They're sweated so nicely. Now I'm going to add my 2 different types of tomatoes. And I'm going to let that cook through nicely. I want this to taste really saucy, so I'm going to add a little bit of passata sauce in there as well. Give it a mix. And to make it even more tomatoey, I've got this less sugar tomato ketchup. A little bit of that. And also some tomato puree as well. I'm going to put it on a little low heat to simmer and let all those flavours just infuse. So first let us peel our plantain. Looks like a banana. We're going to slice our plantain, so we're going to make it into like that maybe. And then we're going to make some, do it that way. Yeah, so we're doing that way. Oop. So as you can see guys, I've got 3 things. I have here extra virgin olive oil. I've got some just plain flour, and then I've just made some breadcrumbs out of some brown bread that I had left over. Okay, so because we're using olive oil, because of course we don't do egg. In my flour, I'm going to add some turmeric just to give it some colour. Oops, some Himalayan sea salt. A little bit of garlic powder. Onion powder. Curry powder. Some all-purpose seasonings, and I've got some black pepper, just a little bit. So that's our seasoned flour, right? And then for our breadcrumbs, I'm going to add a little bit more turmeric. I'll be generous with that. Himalayan sea salt. Our slices of plantain. We're going to just slob it in the olive oil. And then we're going to slob it in the flour. Slob, slob. Is that a good word? Slob. And when you finish slobbing it in the flour, we're going to put it back in the olive oil. And then we're going to put it in our breadcrumbs. Look at that. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. As you can see, I have now put my plantain on a baking tray. I'm going to bake for maybe 20 minutes, half an hour. Because you know we don't like the frying thing, so we love the baking, it's better. So as you can see guys, the tomato spicy sauce is looking perfect. Look how beautiful and crispy our plantain looks. So guys, I've got 2 buns here. And I'm going to put my look at this sauce, it's looking beautiful. The sauce is going to go down first. And on the second bun as well, more sauce. Lots and lots of sauce. Now the sauce is peppery, so I'm being very sparing with the sauce. And of course, our lovely crunchy plantain is going to go on our thing. And then we're going to add some more spicy things. So I've got some gherkins that I've sliced long ways. Again, I'm going to put them on here. Some beautiful pieces of avocado, which is absolutely good for you, as you know. The obligatory pieces of lettuce. It's going to be a massive burger, guys, what can I say? Just a few more sprigs of onions. And a bit of mayo. Vegan mayo. Which I'm going to just squirt on here like that. And I'm just going to squish it on top like that. How lovely is that? Bit of mayo. And I'm going to squish it on top. What a beautiful dish. You know what? I think my children love torturing things. If you love bugs and insects, please look away, guys. People are going to come to our house and say, what are you doing to the animals? What's this now? What's this?
Another snail.
Look, they're doing things to snails. Oh my gosh.
Mix it up.
Mix it up? What are you going to make it into a potion?
Baby.
What are you going to do for tennis racket?
I'm going to hit with the snail.
No, the Royal Society of Protection of Animals is going to come. Or snails.
Well,
oh my goodness.
too bad. They should have never went to our garden.
No, don't squish it. No squishing of snails. No!
You pick it up.
Leave the snails. Let's have a look. Look at them. They're upside down as well. Look, they're distressed snails. They're going, we're upside down. Why? So guys, if you've been following me on my social media, you will notice that I've been putting out regular video promos for my new single, debut single, that's coming out on the 3rd of July. So guys, oh, the taste test. Of course, time to taste the food. Looking beautiful. Now look, guys, I'm going to hold it up, right? I'm going to show it to you. As you can see, the plantain burger is looking well delicious and very big and juicy. But there's no way with my lovely lipstick am I going to bite into this and then make the whole makeup thing just go, eh. I thought I would taste the main elements of today's recipe, which is the crunchy plantain and of course our spicy tomato sauce. So on my plate I have the crunchy plantain. If you could hear the crunch, it's brilliant. So now I'm going to dip it in some of this spicy tomato sauce. Tasting very Caribbean, which is what I wanted. Delicious, guys. You don't have to put it in a burger. You could literally just have it as a side. It is delicious. I know you think I'm just saying it because I've got a cooking YouTube channel, but it is. Before I go, don't forget I've got a single coming out on the 1st of July. I've got promo videos leading up to that coming out regularly. What else? Oh, and on IGTV I do little videos of me and my dad and our journey. Oh, lots going on. No. Yes, I think that's it for now. I hope you're enjoying my journey. Oh, and also I learned how to do something. Subscribe. Because I know how to do it. I always wondered how the YouTubers could go, subscribe. Now I can do it. Hey. So guys, remember, for healthy vegan recipes, I'm your girl. Remember, because I didn't fry that plantain, I baked it. So for healthy vegan recipes, I'm your girl. No more